Classic cars aren't just machines. They're memories, emotion, and raw power. As the world moves towards silent electric roads, these legends are becoming more valuable and rare. Today, we explore why GM, Ford, Chrysler, and AMC classics are rising fast, and why now is the time to rediscover them. Somewhere in a quiet neighborhood, inside an old garage that nobody pays attention to, sits a car under a faded gray cover. The house looks ordinary, the street is silent, and life moves on every day. But under that cover rests a memory, a dream, a piece of history. It may be a GM Chevelle, a Ford Torino, a Dodge Charger, or maybe even a rare AMC Javelin. To most people passing by, it's just an old car. But to the right person, it's a treasure that is slowly becoming more valuable every single year. Classic cars are rising in value because they represent something that new cars cannot replace. A modern car might be faster, cleaner, or more efficient. But classic cars have identity. They have presence. When a classic V8 engine starts, it doesn't whisper. It announces itself. It rumbles. It shakes. It demands attention. It reminds people of a time when cars were built with personality, passion, and pride. Take GM for example. In the late 60s and early 70s, GM didn't just build cars. They built icons. The Chevrolet Camaro Z28, the Pontiac GTO, the Oldsmobile 442. Cars that didn't just win races, they won hearts. Today, these models are climbing in value because collectors and car lovers want to keep a piece of that era alive. They understand that once these cars are gone, there will never be anything like them again. Ford had its own legends. The Mustang, the Boss 429, the Torino Cobra, .1. These weren't just vehicles, they were statements. They stood for individuality and freedom. And now, all around the world, people search auctions, barns, and garages to find them before they become too expensive to ever own. Then we look at Chrysler. They built pure power, muscle that didn't apologize for being wild. The Dodge Charger, Challenger, Plymouth GTX, Roadrunner. These cars were loud, bold, and impossible to ignore. And today, even rough, rusted, incomplete versions of these cars are gaining demand because people want to restore that feeling of unstoppable force. And quietly, almost like a secret, AMC is rising. AMC was the underdog, the company that dared to be different. The Javelin, the AMX, the Rebel Machine, cars that were overlooked for years. But as GM, Ford, and Mopar prices climb higher, people are turning to AMC as the next wave of collectible classics. And that shift is already pushing their values upward. The world is moving toward electric cars, automation, and screens. But that only increases the emotional desire for something real, something mechanical, something alive. Classic cars are becoming more than vehicles. They're becoming symbols of a time when driving felt like freedom. Somewhere, someone is about to remove a dusty cover from a forgotten classic and bring it back to life. And that car's value, both in money and meaning, is about to rise. There was a man named Farouk who lived in a small city. In his younger days, he drove a bright red Pontiac Firebird. It was his pride, his identity, his escape. Every evening, he would take the long road out of town. Windows down, engine roaring, and the world felt wide open. But like life often goes, responsibilities came. Job, bills, family. One by one, dreams were parked and left behind. The Firebird was sold, and Farouk told himself it was just a car. Yet deep inside, he felt he had lost something more. Years passed. The world changed. Cars became smarter, quieter, more controlled. They beeped, blinked, and spoke like machines. But none of them stirred the same feeling he once had. One day, while scrolling online, he saw a Firebird. Same shape, same shade of red as his old one. His heart paused. His mind rushed back to nights under the stars, laughter, music, freedom. Without hesitation, he bought it. When the car arrived, it wasn't perfect. The paint was faded, the engine coughed, and the seats were worn. But when he sat behind the wheel, something inside him woke up. He felt young again, not in age, but in spirit. This is the magic of classic cars. They don't just start when you turn the key. They start you. And Farouk was not alone. All over the world, people are searching, remembering, restoring. They are bringing their memories back to life. This emotional connection is a powerful force, and it's one of the biggest reasons classic car values continue to rise. But emotion isn't the only reason. There is also scarcity. Every year, classic cars become fewer. Many rust away. Some are crushed. Others sit forgotten until time destroys them. The ones that remain become rare. And when something rare is loved, its value climbs. Restoration shops are busier than ever. Auctions are attracting international buyers. Even young mechanics are learning to rebuild carburetors, tune vates, and weld body panels. Skills once disappearing. People are no longer chasing perfection. They chase the story. A little rust is not a flaw, it's history. A worn steering wheel means someone held it tightly on open roads. Patina is respected. Age is beauty. Models from GM, Ford, Chrysler, and AMC are now seen as rolling pieces of heritage. Owning one is not just owning a car, it's preserving an era. And as the modern world becomes more silent and digital, the growl of a classic engine becomes more meaningful than ever. Farouk didn't just restore a car, he restored a part of himself. When he took that Firebird back on the same long road, the wind felt familiar. The sky looked the same. The world felt big again. And that is the value no price tag can measure. The future is changing fast. Electric cars are multiplying, engines are turning silent, and driving is slowly becoming automated. In a few years, cars may not need drivers at all. Roads may be full of quiet machines moving in perfect order. Convenient, yes. Efficient, yes. But something powerful will be missing. The sound, the thrill, the feeling of being in control. Now imagine a car show 20 years from today. Rows of modern electric vehicles. Smooth, silent, nearly identical. People walk by, nodding, but without emotion. Then suddenly, from across the lot, a deep rumble cuts through the air. Heads turn, people stop. A smile spreads across faces. That sound belongs to a 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS, or a Ford Mustang Mach-1, or a Dodge Charger RT, or maybe a rare AMC Amex. The sound alone speaks louder than words. It says, "This is real." These cars will not just be admired, they will be remembered. They will be protected, and they will be worth far more than money. Because classic cars do more than move. They move us. People will pay more and more for cars that feel like life, not like software. The value of these classic machines will grow because every year, fewer remain. Some get wrecked. Some rust away. Some are forgotten in barns and sheds, waiting for someone to care. The fewer there are, the more precious the survivors become. And that is why today might be the best time to find one. Because soon, the prices won't just rise. They will leap. Cars that today seem affordable will one day be unreachable. A GM Nova, a Ford Fairlane, a Chrysler Duster, an AMC Javelin. These names will become legends, whispered with nostalgia and respect. Somewhere, maybe in your neighborhood, maybe down your own street, sits a classic car under a tarp or gathering dust in a shed. The owner might think it's nothing special. But time is changing the world's eyes. What was once just an old car is becoming history, art, identity, and pride. And maybe it is waiting for you. Not just to buy it, not just to fix it, but to revive it, to hear the engine breathe again, to bring back the sound of life, to bring back the part of yourself that still dreams of open roads. The rise in value is real. It is happening right now. But the real treasure is not the price tag, it's the story you will create with it. Because when that engine starts, and the road opens in front of you, you won't just be driving a car. You'll be driving a memory, a legacy, a heartbeat from another time, alive again. And that is priceless. These cars are more than metal. their identity, history, and freedom. Their value will continue to climb, but their true worth is the feeling they bring. If you ever find one waiting under dust, remember, sometimes the greatest treasure isn't new. It's something worth bringing back to life.